To add the payout method on StockX, access StockX account. Log into your StockX account on the website or app using your credentials. Navigate to account settings. Look for the account or profile section in the dashboard or settings menu. Access payment settings. Find and select the payment settings or payout method option. StockX typically stores this under settings related to your account's financial information. Add payout method. Choose the option to add a new payout method such as a bank account or PayPal. Enter details. Follow the prompts to input the necessary details for your chosen payout method. This might include bank account information, PayPal email, or other required information. Verify information. Double check the entered details for accuracy to ensure seamless payouts. Save or confirm. After entering the payout method details, save or confirm the information. StockX might require verification steps to ensure the security of your financial details. Confirmation. Upon successful addition, StockX usually sends a confirmation message or email to acknowledge the addition of the payout method.